and today we'll be seeing two interesting science experiments. But before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that every video I post will come to you as soon as I post it. And don't forget to check out our channel on Instagram. Now let's get into it. So the first experiment is forever lamp. For that you need kerosene, chalk and matches. You need a cardboard which is covered with aluminium foil and make a hole to place the chalk. So first let's place the chalk. And place it in the kerosene. It will take little time to absorb it. The chalk has absorbed the kerosene. Now let's light it. It's more efficient to use a chalk. You'll be asking, why are we using a chalk? The chalk uses little kerosene and burns for a longer time. In rural areas, even now people are using this kerosene lamp. So the next experiment is a balloon experiment. For that, you need a vinegar, baking soda, balloon, a bottle and funnel. Let's put the baking soda inside the balloon using a funnel. A toothpick will help you to push it down. Now, we'll put the vinegar inside the bottle. Now, we'll add the balloon. Let's put the balloon on top of the bottle. You can see the balloon blowing. You'll be thinking, how is blowing? Vinegar plus baking soda forms carbon dioxide, which will help the balloon to grow. You can also try this experiment. It's really fun. I hope this video inspired you to make these experiments and try this at your home. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that every video I post will come to you as soon as I post it. And I'll see you in the next video.